Okay, we're going to spell it and read it with some long O words. I want you to help me spell it and then read it. H-O-M-E, home. Read it. Home. R-O-P-E, rope. Now you read it. Rope. T-O-A-D, toad. Toad. C-O-A-S-T, coast. Your turn. Coast. S-T-O-V-E, stove. The long O is spelled with O-blank-E. Read it. Stove. R-O-A-M, Rome. The long O is spelled with O-A. Read it. Rome. Be sure you're helping me. G-O-A-T, goat. The long O is spelled O-A. Goat. C-O-D-E, code. Can't hear you. Code. The long O is spelled O-blank-E. L-O-N-E-L, Y, lonely. Lonely. The long O is spelled O, consonant E. C-L-O-A-K, cloak. Cloak. And the long O is spelled O-A. Now you're going to find the sheet that says Unit 8, Lesson 13, page number 103. You are going to go through and sort your words and put the long vowel spelled O, consonant E, under this heading, and the long O spelled O-A under this heading. On the next slide, I'll explain the directions again.